There was a young man named Sam. Sam lived in a small village. He wanted to find work. He wanted to take care of his family. One morning, Sam spoke to his mother. He said, "Mother, I want to find a job. I want to earn money." His mother smiled and said, "Work hard, my son. Be honest, and you will find a good job." Sam went to the village market. He asked the shopkeeper, "Sir, do you have work for me?" The shopkeeper said, "I am sorry. I do not need help today." Sam felt a little sad. Next, Sam walked to the fields. He saw a farmer working hard under the sun. Sam asked, "Do you need help on your farm?" The farmer looked at him and said, "I already have workers. Maybe another time." Sam sat under a big tree. He was tired. He thought, "Maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I will never find work." But then he remembered his mother's words, "Be honest, work hard." An old man walked by and saw Sam. The old man asked, "Why are you sad, young man?" Sam replied, "I cannot find a job." The old man smiled and said, "Do not give up. Every step teaches you something." Later, Sam saw a woman carrying heavy water pots. Without asking, he ran and helped her. The woman thanked him and said, "You are kind and strong. My brother needs a helper. Go to him tomorrow." The next day, Sam met the woman's brother. He owned a small workshop. He said, "I need a helper. I saw how you helped my sister. You can start today." Sam was happy and worked with all his heart. Sam learned something important. Sometimes finding work is not easy, but if you are kind, honest, and patient, life will give you a chance. Sam was proud, and his family was proud too.